Good day, students. Today we will going to learn about making an HTML website. And to start, we will going to use the Notepad++. Okay, just a heads up, I'm going to share the downloadable link in our group in Messenger. Okay, so make sure that you download the Notepad++ before we start our activity. Okay, so I guess you're in already. So let's start making a website. Okay, so for this one, before anything else, the first thing that we were going to do is go to File, go to New, and we were going to create a new tab. Okay, this tab is where we were going to write the different codes that we were going to use in creating an HTML website. Okay, so this one is the tab that we created, and I'm going to change its file name. And to change the file name of this tab, just go to File, click Save As, and change the file name. For this one, I'm going to change the file name as using my name now. Okay, and don't forget, before you click the save, make sure that you're going to change the file type. Okay, so since this is an HTML, we are going to select the hypertext markup language. Okay, and before anything else, make sure that you created a folder wherein here you're going to save your file. I already created a folder for our file, and that folder is located in my desktop inside my HTML folder. Okay, so I'm going to save this one now. Okay, so let's start creating the basic structure of a web page. To start this one, always remember that we were going to write first the doc type, HTML. The doc type HTML is known, or it is used so that the server will understand or know that this HTML is a document type HTML. Okay, so this is the first thing that we were going to do in creating an HTML website. Step first, in number one spot. After this one, we are going to start by creating our very first tag, and that is the HTML tag. Okay, so always remember that we have here a start tag. We have also an end tag. The end tag is also the same. The only difference for the end tag is that we have a slash. Okay, and don't forget to enclose it with an angle bracket. And for this instance, since I'm going to put something pa sa HTML, so I'm going to delete this one first. So after the HTML, the next tag is our head tag. Okay, so under our end is the title tag. The title tag is, of course, it's the title of your website. And for this one, I guess the title for our website will be about photography. And since we have a start tag for the title, we will going to write an end tag for this one as well, and that is the angle bracket slash and the title. Okay, so after this, or after the title, the next step is we will going to enclose the head with an end tag. Okay, so grade 8, I want you to familiarize the different tags that we were going to use in creating a website. It's very important that you are going to memorize everything. Okay, So the next thing after we put the end tag for the head is the body of our website. For the body, we will going to start this one with heading number 1, or shall we say the most important heading. Okay, and for the most important heading, I'm going to write okay, so Yuhum photography. So this will be the text that I want to be highlighted. Don't forget to write also the end tag, which is the open angle slash and H. Okay. So after this one, the next step is that I'm going to write a paragraph. Okay, and the tag used in creating a paragraph is the letter P. And you may now start writing anything about your heading number 1, which is the home photography. Okay, so this one new home photography is composed of passionate mass musicians who wants to share their talent through pictures. And don't forget to write an end tag for this one, which is the paragraph. Okay. So in creating a website, as what we can see, there are link or navigation link that we used, and to create a navigation link for that one, we use the tag as nav for navigation. Okay, so after this nav, I'm going to use the UL or the unordered list. Okay, because I'm going to list something here. And for this one, this list is that I'm going to use link, okay, through the different list that I'm going to create. And for this one, and creating link, of course, we're going to start with the LI or list, and the link for this one, or the tag used for link, is the href equals. Okay, so this time I still don't have any link. Okay, so let us just leave na lang this one as it is. Let us create a link for this. Let's create new. Let's save this one and create, change, about, Okay, don't forget to change the file type as well. Okay, so this one I'm going to make a list from this HTML going to the home photography. Okay, so href, this time I'm going to use this and write the about, the home photography.html. And the end tag for the link, which is the A, and the end tag for the list as well, which is the li. Okay, so this one is already, we already created a list, which is the home, about home photography. So after this one, you can also create another link, of course using the tag li for the list, followed by the link, which is the a href equals, and they're going to write something. For this one, I'm going to create history. By the way, I forgot, I should create the name for our link here. Okay, so I'm going to end this one with an end tag together with our list. Okay. This time, let us make our website. Let us put design to our website. Let us put some pictures. Okay. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to go to Google and download some pictures so that I could put this one into our website. Okay, so we are already here on Google, and let us try to find some pictures that we can put in our website. Okay, so I guess I'm going to choose this picture. Always remember that we need to save the picture at the same folder of our HTML. So I'm going to save this one, save as. I'm going to place this one in our folder, change the file name, and click the save. Now I'm going to select another picture as well that we were going to use for our background. So I guess I'm going to use this picture. I'm going to save this one as well. Save. Make sure that when you save your picture, it is located with the same folder, or else that picture will not going to work. So now let us go back to our Notepad++. Okay, so now it is time to put a picture in our website. For this one, I'm going to put the picture before the room photography, and the tag that is used in putting a picture is the img src =, this one, and we will going to put the name or the file name of our picture. So for this one, we're going to put the file name and the file extension, which is the JPEG. Okay, and of course for this one we will going to put a background to our website as well. Okay, but before that, let us first check whether all of our codes are working. Okay, so let us end this one with an HTML tag /HTML. Okay, so let us save this one, and let us try if everything is working. So for this one, okay, so here it is. So as what you can see, this is now the website that we created. So I noticed that the picture that we put is a little bit big, so I decided that I'm going to change the size of this picture. So to change the size of your picture, we are going to go back to the Notepad++. Okay, so to change the size of our picture, all we have to do is just to go to our tag, which is the img src camera jpg. Don't forget to put the file type for this one, and to change the size, all we have to do is just to put the width equal and the measurement of your width, which is for this one I will use 200, and for my height, which is 150. Okay, so after you put the size of your picture, let us check whether there are changes in our website. Okay, so here it is. So as what you've noticed, the picture here, the image here becomes smaller. It's because we already adjust the size of this picture. Okay, so this time I'm going to give you now the time to create your own website based on the things that you've learned in today's lesson. So just go to Schoology and submit your work by clicking the submit button in the left side of your screen, in the upper left side of your screen. So thank you for listening, grade 8, and see you in our live class.